Hey everyone, Dr. Bell here with Dr. Bell Health, and today we will be talking about leaky gut and a product designed specifically to combat it. It's called Leaky Gut Revive by Dr. Amy Myers, MD. Leaky gut is a term that might sound a bit odd, but it refers to a real issue. Imagine as your intestines as a barrier, and their whole job is to determine what gets absorbed into your bloodstream and what gets pooped out or excreted. And in a healthy gut, this barrier is selective. It allows nutrients in while keeping harmful substances out. However, with leaky gut, this barrier becomes permeable and it lets toxins, bacteria, and undigested food particles into your bloodstream. And this leads to a host of health issues. People dealing with leaky gut may have gastrointestinal issues such as bloating, gas, cramps, food sensitivities, IBS, and it can also manifest itself as chronic fatigue, headaches, skin problems like eczema or acne. It can cause joint pain, autoimmune conditions. It can cause cognitive and mood related symptoms such as brain fog, anxiety, and depression have also been linked to it. So it does a lot. And then this is where Leaky Gut Revive comes into play. It's developed by Dr. Amy Myers, MD. She's a renowned physician and author. And this supplement aims to fortify your intestinal walls, providing them with necessary support to heal and function optimally. It has some great ingredients in it, and before we go over some of those ingredients in Leaky Gut Revive, I want to stress that this is for educational purposes only. Talk to your doctor before you take any vitamins or supplements. This is not medical advice, and everything we review on our channel can be purchased at a steep discount through our full script store. You go to drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com, better prices in Amazon than what you'd find at Dr. Myers' website. Free shipping, free returns, and it doesn't cost anything to join and shop around and see what we have. Your favorite brands are there: Standard Process, Thorne, Microbiome Labs, Metagenics, Biotics Research, Designs for Health, Pure Encapsulations, and hundreds more, all top quality and all at a great price. So the magic of Leaky Gut Revive lies in its ingredients, and each chosen for its gut healing properties. The first one I'm going to go over is L-Glutamine. It's an amino acid, and it's a building block for repairing intestinal lining. It nourishes the gut cells and promotes healing and efficiency. There's also Aloe Vera leaf. It's known for its healing properties, and it aids in restoring the gut's mucosal lining. Licorice extract. This has a soothing effect on the stomach and intestinal lining, while also supporting adrenal gland health. Larch Arabinogalactan, which is derived from the North American larch tree, and it acts as a prebiotic. Right, we have probiotics, but this is a prebiotic, so this feeds and it fosters a healthy gut environment conducive to healing. Slippery elm and marshmallow root, they provide mucous membrane support, further aiding the repair and integrity of the gut lining. So by incorporating Leaky Gut Revive into your daily routine, you're just not addressing symptoms like bloating, gas, or indigestion. You're working to heal your gut from the inside out, which is really what we want to do, is we want to get to the root cause. And you're promoting a healthier, more vibrant you. This supplement is designed to blend seamlessly into your daily life. Mix it into a glass of water, juice, or smoothie, and you're on your way to a better gut health. For those concerned about leaky gut, aiming to maintain a robust intestinal lining, or simply looking to support your gut health, Leaky Gut Revive might be a solution you've been searching for. Always remember, a happy gut is the key to overall well-being. Don't forget, you can purchase Leaky Gut Revive and other Amy Myers MD products at a great price through a full script store. Go to drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com. Free shipping, free returns. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful health content. Stay energized, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm Dr. Bell.